Hey guys, this is beautiful Cinderella monogram, and generally kids love this, and this is made up of quality aluminum composite material, and you can see the name written is Priyanshi. And if you want, you can write the name of your child, especially your daughter, because girls love this Cinderella monogram, and it is very easy to fix. You can see there are two-way industrial quality tapes are provided. You can just peel it and paste it on any wall or maybe on cupboard or even glass, or you can put it this in your child's bedroom. And if you want, you can also fasten it with the screws. You can drill it and fasten it with the screws on the wall. It comes with two different color. This is the golden mirror color, and this is basically silver brush color. And silver brush color is our top selling product, or top selling color rather. And if your child is a fan of Cinderella, just visit www.jadhavmonogram.com and gift your daughter this beautiful Cinderella monogram, or even you can give to any other child in your friends and relatives. So just visit jadhavmonogram.com and order this beautiful Cinderella monogram. See you on the other side.